Politicians across Europe are weighing up how best to battle the large rise in coronavirus cases as Europe finds itself once again at the heart of the pandemic. Austria has already introduced restrictions for the unvaccinated. Governments elsewhere, including in Germany, are considering reintroducing certain rules in the run-up to Christmas and debating whether vaccines alone are enough to stop the spread of the virus. Mark Lebel reports.
Coronavirus is catching hospital staff as well as politicians off guard in Germany. Emergency wards like this one, close to Munich, are filling up so fast. A patient was sent to Italy for treatment.
The situation was foreseeable and could have been avoided. The right measures that would have prevented this health system from being put in such a situation again were not taken.
Lower than expected vaccination rates may steal Christmas from many. Christmas markets that do open may only welcome the vaccinated or recently recovered.
They can't do anything but follow these rules. It is a way to protect everyone.
But politicians here are in the market for much more. Many keen to unwrap restrictions for the unvaccinated on public transport, for a return to home working and vaccine mandates for certain professions. The incoming coalition government will consult state leaders on Thursday. Also from Thursday, in Ireland, pubs, restaurants and nightclubs will have to close at midnight and people will be advised to work from home. All to combat rising COVID cases, despite one of the highest vaccination rates in the world.
All across Europe and across our country, it is increasingly clear that we are experiencing another surge of COVID infection. In the last week alone, we have seen the second highest rate of hospital admission in all of 2021.
But in Holland, there's political division over plans that unvaccinated people will no longer be able to go to cafes and restaurants with a negative test, with entry only for the vaccinated or those who have just recovered from COVID. With Austria's lockdown for the unvaccinated in full swing, there are some questioning the wisdom of policies requiring mandatory vaccines or locking down the unvaccinated.
This raises real issues around civil liberties. This raises real issues around human rights. And it's something that governments should consider extremely carefully.
But there are few easy solutions for Europe's governments as cases surge. Mark Lebel, BBC News.